This is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa, Arizona. Today I want to show you an awesome motorhome, my favorite. This is the 2023 Jayco Redhawk 24B. It actually is our #1 best-selling floor plan, and I'll show you why. Here we are inside the 24B, and I want to show you just why this is such a popular floor plan. First, as you can see, it has a wraparound dinette, which most people prefer. Very easy to get in and out, and it also makes into a bed. You also have a really good place to watch TV from. This TV swings out and the two front seats spin around, and you have boosters that lift them up. Another important thing that people really want in a motorhome is to have a full walk-around bed. And again, this is quite special in a 24-footer to have a full walk-around bed with really good storage underneath. Even more storage. And even more storage. Very impressive for a 24-footer. It has a very nice, well-appointed kitchen with a big fridge, propane and electric. Really easy accessible bathroom, even with a slide-in. Nice feature about the Redhawks in general is the fact that you can put 750 pounds of weight on this front bed, and once we go outside I explain a bit in more detail why that is. While we're still inside, I also want to point out that this is on the brand new E450 chassis with the new 7.3 liter V8 Ford engine, a lot more torque down low. It's much nicer to drive than the older V10. It has pretty much all the options available for it. It has 190 watt of solar on the roof that maintains the coach batteries. It has the slide toppers. It has automatic leveling. Things that really make the Redhawk special: first of all, it can tow 7,500 pounds. And another very important thing is the way Jayco has designed this front cap. Historically, with classes in general, the #1 issue with them has always been this front cap. Why? It's usually designed to have the seals right here on the edge, and because there's some natural flex in this front cap and the seals being right here, eventually water seeps in and you get mold on the inside. What Jayco have done is put a much stronger frame on it. This is why you can put up to 750 pounds in the bed, in the bunk bed, and they made the front cap one piece, brought the seal in almost a foot inside, which completely solved the issue that classes historically had with water getting inside. This is an awesome unit. Again, our #1 bestseller. I hope you give me the chance to test drive it if you like it. Come by. Raul at Worldwide RV.